Good morning, students. Today, for the first time, I am coming live to your class 6B. Okay. So now here I will take the attendance. I told you that from 9 a.m. I will start the class, but now few minutes left. So let me see the time, and by the time some of you are present, I have noticed that 4 of you are watching me. So you write your name and roll number. Okay, in the chat box, one chatting box is there. I am making it on. 1 minute. Yes, I am making it on. So now you write your name and roll number. Yes, one I am getting. That's Survade. Okay, Survade, good morning. You please enter your roll number too. So those who are watching me, you write your name and roll number. Okay. So today I will take the attendance here only through the application I entered. Today no need. Why? Because I am coming. Class teacher is coming to take the class. So therefore that application is not required today. When in the morning, in the 9 a.m. when I will have my class, at that day, you no need to submit your name and roll number through that application. Okay. When there will be not my class. That means only Friday you no need to use the application. In other days, you use the application, it will be on. But today, Friday, and Friday first period mine. So that is why Friday no need to use the application. Directly you enter your roll numbers here. I will announce who are writing. Jan Hack, roll number 54. Then Rowdy Robin Gamer. Please give your own name. Good morning, sir. You are writing good morning. So please write your name and roll number. As Jan Hawk just now writing his name and roll number also. Oh yes, same only. Okay. Rowdy Robin Gamer means Jan Hawk. Okay, I understand. So Jan Hawk, roll number 54. Good morning. So like that, other students, those who are present, Sulva Day, you entered your name, but your roll number not mentioned. So it will be recorded, okay, in the attendance. What you are writing here, it will be recorded. So you write your name and roll number. Okay. After that, I will start the class. So at first, let me take the attendance. So all of you who are here now, I think you are hearing me. I'm live. Okay, today I am live. I am not. It is not a recorded program. So I am live now. So those who are watching me, you please enter your name and roll number. You see, today it is live. My time you see. Have you noticed? Okay, it is live. So live program is going on. So those who are watching, please write your name and roll number. Only Jan Hack is giving name and roll number. Others also be fast. I'm giving few minutes for attendance. Those who are watching, give your name and roll number. Okay. Today no need to go through the application. I already told you in the application also I have mentioned that every Friday we will take one live class. So for that, no need to go through the application. You will directly here, you write your name and roll number. Here I am announcing whose name I am getting. That is Tustikriti Gogoi class 6. Class 6 no need to mention. Class 6 only, roll number you mention, okay? Surva Day roll number 29. Okay? Tustikriti Gogoi, I am getting your name. Class 6 you are writing. No need to write the class because it is for class 6 only. So you write your roll number. Okay? I am getting now Jan Hack, Surva Day. Jan Hack 54, Surva Day 29. Tustikriti getting roll number 37. Yes. So 3 students name and roll number I got. Tustikriti 37. Yes. Jan Hack, Tustikriti and Surva Day. That 3 roll numbers and names I got. So others also, those who are watching, you please. Yes. Rasika roll number 23. Very good. Good morning to you all. Again, yes, Rasika roll number 23. I got Rasika's roll number. Others, send first. send first, because after getting the roll numbers, I will start the class. How many of you are present? Here it is showing 7, but all the 7 students are not sending me the roll numbers and names. Only Jan Hag, Tusti Kriti, Shurva, and Rasika. Your name and roll numbers are recorded here. Others also send. Send first. After the attendance, I will take your class. Okay. Send first. I am waiting. Those who are joining just now, don't take tension. No problem. Directly the chatting box is there. There you write your name and roll number. Direct. Yes. Bhurudrit Gogoi, rule number 46. I am getting recently now. Okay. Bhurudrit Gogoi. Yes. Nice. Others, those who are watching, don't think anything. It is very simple application. Just in the chatting box, you write your name and roll number. Okay. Very simple. Very simple. No complication. Yes. One more I am getting. Swagata Fukon, your roll number. Please, your roll number. Swagata Fukon, write your roll number. Together you write now. Your name and roll number together you write. Separate, no need to write. Okay. Swagata Fukon, your name I am getting, roll number not getting. Roll number 34. Yes, together you write. Okay, next time. Every Friday, I will take like this one live class. So for that, you be prepared, and on that very day, every Friday, every week, every Friday, I will take like this live class. Okay. So at that day, on Friday, you no need to go through the application. Directly here you put your attendance. Yes, Shayad Istibak Hussain, roll number 62. I am getting. Okay, Istibak Hussain, I am getting your roll number. Others, those who are watching, please send your name and roll number. Okay. Attendance is going on. Till now I am not starting the class. I will start the class after getting the roll numbers, maximum roll numbers. Do first. Give your roll numbers. Be first. Already, yes, I am getting one. Nistha Nirmita Mohanto, roll number 20. Yes, very good. Nistha Nirmita Mohanto, I got your roll number. Others, you please. Yes, Sabir Gaming. Good morning, sir. Good morning. You please write your name and roll number, please. Okay. Write your name and roll number, all of you. Yaman Hussain. Okay. Minoti Newar, your roll number. Miss Prasi Borpatra, roll number not sending. Miss Prasi Borpatra, your name I am getting, your roll number not getting. You please send your roll number. And Minoti Newar also, your roll number. Then Yaman Hussain, your roll number. Those students who are watching this, you please send your roll numbers also, name and roll number required. Then I can add it in my record book. Okay, so this program, it is also, now it is live, but it is also recorded in a computer. So all your messages you are sending me, your name, roll number, everything, it will be recorded in the computer. So later on I will see who were present, who were not present. Okay, so please send first your name and roll numbers. Yes, Yaman Hussain, rule number 65. Okay, very nice. Good morning to you all. Prasi Borpatra 21. Yes, others send. Dia Paul, rule number 7. I am getting. Sanskriti Gogoi, rule number 26. Hirabjuti Buraguhai, rule number 53. These messages I am getting. And I am announcing your names. Pulok Gogoi 58. Jia Kerketta, rule number 9. Yes, very nice. Send first. So these names, yes. Simanto Kadwa, rule number 60. Very nice. I'm announcing your names and roll numbers. Then you will come to know that whether your message is coming to me or not. So as I reach the message, as I get the message, I will Khushi Gogoi, rule number 13. Yes. Simanto Kadwa, rule number 60. Okay. So as I receive the message, I will announce. You send me first. After a few minutes, I will start my class. Okay, again, who are coming? Those who are watching, you just write your name and roll number in the chatting box. One chatting box is available there. I think all of you have noticed. So you directly write your name and roll number there. Then it will be recorded in the attendance. Okay. Afterwards, I will start the class. And for the class, I am telling all of you who are watching me, I am telling you, you make ready one copy in front of you, because these answers, yesterday I gave the answers up to type E. So today type F and HOTS. These answers I am going to dictate. I will dictate you. You will note down. Okay. So you make ready one copy with you in front of you. One copy you make ready, and the book, definitely the book should be there. So open the book, page number 58. Page number 58, book you open, and in the same time you open your copy. Okay, one copy you open where you will write the answers. I will dictate you the answers. You will write. So new roll numbers I am getting. Kushi Gogoi 12. Kushi Gogoi 12. Okay. Yes, I got. Previously I think 13 you wrote. No, you were wrong, I think. Okay, see your roll numbers properly. I sent in the group. I sent the correct roll numbers of you. Some of you forgot your roll numbers because of this lockdown, maybe. So please check one time. That list you check one time. I sent you a few days before, so you see it, and proper correct roll number you sent. Otherwise, your marks will be added to other students' marks, because sometimes we are not looking the name. We are looking only the roll number. So at that time you may fall in problem. Okay, so your marks may be added to others marks may be added to you. So please don't make mistakes in writing your roll numbers. Okay, Sweta Beria, roll number 52. Yes, I am getting now. Sweta Beria, roll number 52, I got. Yes, others, those who are present, I am looking here, 20 students are present now. So you please send your roll numbers. Send your roll numbers first. If you have any complication sending roll numbers, then I am telling you frankly, very simple. The sending roll number and name is very simple. One chatting box is there. You see near the video there is a chatting box. So in the chatting box, you directly write your name and your roll number. No complication, no problem there. No need to go through any application or not. Nowhere you have to go. Directly, you are looking the video, you are watching the video. Near the video, below the video, there is the chatting box. So you directly can chat with me. Okay, chatting means you can tell your name, roll number, and while I will explain the lesson, as well as while I will go to write dictate the question answers. Okay, at that time also, if you feel any doubt, if you one time I told and you did not hear properly, then you can ask me again. That's sir, excuse me please, one more time. So like that you can ask me by writing the message there in the chatting box. Okay, new roll numbers I am getting. Dishant Beria, roll number 52. Deep Ranjan Newar, roll number 51. But here you see Sweta Beria. Oh, means Dishant Beria is Sweta Beria. Okay, so I think Sweta Beria is other's name, your brother, sister, or maybe mother's name. Dishant Beria, 52, I got. Okay, then Deep Ranjan Newar, roll number 51, I got. Okay, so these roll numbers I am getting. So let me start the class. Okay, it will be better for you. I hope all of you are ready with the copy. Are you ready? Can you answer me? Are you ready with the copy? If any answer I get, then I can start. So those who are watching me, you please tell me whether you are ready with the copy or not. Okay. Chaitanya Chetya, roll number 49. Yes. Sagarika Pukon Gogo, yes sir. Sabir Gaming, yes sir. Back video, yes. Okay. That means you are ready with the copy. So now get ready for this. So others also, those who are joining now. So you please send your name and roll numbers. I will see it later and I will announce it later. Let me start this class. Okay. So firstly, differentiate between the following: evaporation and condensation. That is the question. You see page number 58. All of you open page number 58. There you will get the question difference. So and I hope and I know that all of you know that how to write the difference. Okay, so what to do? You have to break two columns. Okay, so in my next class I will use this monitor as a blackboard or whiteboard. Next time I will use. Today I am not using because of the deficiency of some instruments. Some instruments are required, so that instruments are not today. So that is why I am thinking that in my next class I will use this. So till then, today manually we are doing. I will tell you, you write. So two columns you make, one side evaporation and another side condensation. So two side you write. I hope you are writing. Okay, and the heading should be capital letters. I hope you can remember. I told so many times, heading should be capital letters. So under evaporation, point number 1, you write, it is the, I hope you are hearing, you just write, it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to gas. Under evaporation, you write, it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to gas. I hope you wrote. In the other side, under condensation, the first point, you write, it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. It is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. I hope you wrote. Now get ready for the second point. Second point you write under evaporation. Second point under evaporation you write, it occurs at the boiling point or below the boiling point. It occurs at the boiling point or below the boiling point. Then under condensation you write, it occurs at the freezing point. It occurs at the freezing point. Did you write? So first difference, two, I told two between evaporation and condensation. I hope you wrote. So if you have finished writing, you please tell me yes, sir. Yes, some new rule numbers I am getting. I am announcing. Nishanta Bezburwa, rule number 56. I think our captain. Then Dixita Srestha, rule number 6. Then Boinasri Gogoi, rule number 3. Richa Kuzur, rule number not sent. Sabir Gaming, no sir, 1 minute. Pragoti Deuri, rule number 22. Benjamin Thinsin, rule number 45. Ayushi Vaidya, you did not write your roll number, so please write your roll number also. Then Minoti Newar, rule number 14. Okay, so these rule numbers I got. So have you completed writing? Please tell me. Borkha Gogoi writing yes sir. Then others, have you completed writing? This first difference between evaporation and condensation, have you completed? Sir, I did not understand evaporation number 1. Sir, can repeat it again. Okay, I am repeating. Evaporation number 1. No? Evaporation number 1 I told, I think. I also forgot. Yes, I told it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to gas. That I told. It is the change of the state of matter from liquid to gas. So your name, it is coming as BAK videos. I don't know who, but that is the answer. Okay. Richa Kuzur, rule number 24. Nikita Prasad, rule number 19. Okay. Tustikriti, you are writing yes sir. That means you have finished. Okay. I hope all of you have finished writing. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes, Sagariga Fukut. Yes. Bokul Bora, rule number 48. I am getting. Rule number 59. Purabi Mohanto. Yes sir. Okay. So next, come to the next difference, freezing and melting. Get ready for that. Freezing and melting. Okay. Get ready. Yes, all of you are writing yes, sir. That means you have finished writing. So freezing and melting. So again, break two columns. One side freezing, one side melting. Oh, one thing. I think I made one mistake. Okay, so in the condensation part, I think it is the change of matter from gas to liquid. I should tell what I told. I forgot. I think wrongly I told. You please correct it. This number A, evaporation and condensation. Okay, condensation part, you write it is the change of the state of matter from gas to liquid. I'm sorry, I think I told liquid to solid, I think, but it was wrong. Okay, gas to liquid. What I told, I forgot. I hope I told wrongly. So you please forgive me for that mistake. So you please write condensation. Under condensation, first point you write is the change of the state of matter from gas to liquid. Okay, gas to liquid. And second point, okay, second point you write it occurs at the freezing point. Under evaporation you wrote now it occurs at the boiling point or below the boiling point you wrote. So under condensation you write it occurs at the freezing point. Okay, so sorry for my mistake. I did that mistake. So please forgive me. So you please correct it. I'm repeating again one time that under condensation, first point is that it is the change of the state of matter from gas to liquid. It is the change of the state of matter from gas to liquid. Okay, that is the first point under condensation. And the second point is that it occurs at the freezing point. It occurs at the freezing point. Have you corrected? Have you corrected? Have you corrected? Please respond me. Have you corrected? This condensation, have you corrected? Nandini Kumari Uza, roll number 15. Purabi Mohanto, yes sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the correction. And please forgive me. By mistake, I did that. Okay. Then Kadambari Rajmohan, roll number 10, I'm getting. Now get ready for the next. That is a freezing and melting. I hope all of you have divided two columns. One side freezing and another side is melting. So under freezing you write it is the change of the state of matter. It is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. Okay. Under freezing you write it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. Did you write? Okay. So under melting you write it is the change of the state of matter from solid to liquid. It is the change of the state of matter from solid to liquid. I am repeating the first point again. Under freezing you write it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid under freezing. And under melting you write it is the change of the state of matter from solid to liquid. I hope you wrote. Okay. So then the second point, I'm going to tell you the second point. The under freezing you write it occurs at the melting point or freezing point. It occurs at the freezing point. And under melting you write it occurs as the melting point. Under melting you write it occurs at the melting point. Under freezing you write it occurs at the freezing point, and under melting you write it occurs at the melting point. Have you finished? Have you finished writing? Yes, sir. Gogo, yes, sir. Matu Gogo, yes, sir. Neha Singh, yes, sir. Okay. Banyasri Gogoi, rule number 3. Apurbo Day, yes, sir. Okay. So that means you have finished. Now come for the third one. Okay. Pulok Gogoi, yes, sir. Okay, yes. Okay. That means you have finished. Then number C, reversible and irreversible change. Okay. So again you break two columns. One side you write reversible, another side you write freezing point number 2. Okay. Freezing point number 2 you write it occurs at the freezing point. Freezing point number 2 you write it occurs at the freezing point. And under melting you write it occurs at the melting point. Okay. I think you understood. Jan. Freezing point number 2, it occurs at the freezing point. Okay. Then reversible and irreversible changes. So that under reversible change, you write. Okay. Under reversible change. Okay. You write it can be reversed back. It can be reversed back. Under reversible change, point number 1 you write it can be reversed back. Did you write? Then under irreversible changes, point number 1 you write it cannot be reversed back. Okay. Under reversible change you write it can be reversed back. And under irreversible changes, you write it cannot be reversed back. Did you write? Okay. So second point, under reversible, second point you write. Are you ready? Okay. So most of the physical changes are reversible. Under reversible, second point you write. Most of the physical changes are reversible. Most of the physical changes are reversible. That is point number 2 under reversible. And under irreversible changes you write. Under irreversible changes you write. Most of the chemical changes are irreversible. Most of the chemical changes are irreversible. Okay. So I am repeating. Under reversible, second point, most of the physical changes are reversible. Okay. And under irreversible, point number 2, most of the chemical changes are irreversible. Okay. Did you write? Okay, tell me whether you have completed or not. You message me. I hope you have completed. Please respond me. Have you completed? Okay, yes, sir. Very good, very good. So I am now Nistha Nirmita Mohanto. Yes, sir. Okay. So now I am giving you the yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All of you have written. Thank you for that. I am getting Pulok Gogoi. Yes, sir. Dipranjan. Yes, sir. Surva. Yes, sir. So all of you wrote. So thank you for that. So I am repeating. You just now again you check your copy. So I am just repeating all these differences again one by one. So firstly, evaporation and condensation that you check. You one time you check. Okay. So evaporation, point number one, you wrote. It is the change of the state of matter from liquid to gas. And under condensation, you wrote. It is the change of state of matter from gas to liquid. Second point you wrote, under evaporation, it occurs at the boiling point. Okay? And under condensation, you write, it occurs at the freezing point. Then freezing and melting, first point you wrote, it is the change of matter from liquid to solid. And under melting, you wrote, it is the change of matter from solid to liquid. Second point you wrote, freezing point, it occurs at the freezing point. And melting you wrote, it occurs at the melting point. Then number C, reversible, you wrote, these changes can be reversed back. Under irreversible, you wrote, these changes cannot be reversed back. Second point you wrote, reversible, most of the physical changes are reversible, and irreversible, most of the chemical changes are irreversible. I hope you wrote like this and it is complete. Then we will go for to the next question. What properties of an object may undergo a change? Okay, what properties of an object may undergo a change? Okay, so you write the answer. The physical and one last question, sir, please repeat the freezing and melting number one. Okay, so I am repeating. Freezing, number one, freezing, it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. Freezing, point number one, it is the change of the state of matter from liquid to solid. Did you write? And melting, you write, point number one, it is the change of the state of matter from solid to liquid. I hope you wrote. Deepak Paul. Deepak Paul, you asked me. Actually, not Deepak Paul, maybe. You may be different. But I hope you got your answer. Okay, so now question number 2, answer you write. The physical and chemical properties of an object may undergo a change. The physical and chemical properties of an object may undergo change. Okay, Paul means Dia. Okay, Dia, you wrote. Thank you, sir. Dia. Okay. The second question also, I hope you wrote. The physical and chemical properties of an object may undergo change. That is the answer. Then question number 3, it is asking, what are chemical changes? Explain with example. So for that definition of the chemical changes, you open Yes, page number 55. Page number 55 you open. All of you open page number 55 as for the example of this, as for answer of this question. Question is that what are chemical changes explained with examples. So for first part you can write from the book. You see, a chemical change is a change which results in the formation of new substances. Okay. The new substances formed differ from the original substances in terms of chemical composition and properties. So this is given in page number 55. I'm showing you here. This first paragraph, you see, from here to there, this first paragraph, you can write answer of the definition of chemical change. What do you mean by a chemical change? Like this, it is asking in the question. So this first paragraph you will write as the answer. Okay. So it is given in page number 55. So you open page number 55. There it is given, and the second part of the answer, second part of the question I will dictate you. Okay. Second part I will dictate you. First part you have to write from the book. Did you write? Did you write? You please respond me. Matu Gogoi asking, sir, repeat again question number 2. So question number 2 answer is what? The physical and chemical properties of an object may be undergo change. That is the answer. Okay. Okay, so in this question, the second part, question number 3, the second part was that explain with examples. Chemical change, what are chemical changes? Explained with examples. So there are examples you can write. Some examples of chemical change are, you write, change the paragraph and then write. Some examples of chemical change are, number 1, burning. Give one arrow mark and then write, during this chemical change, one substance is converted into ash and smoke. Okay, what did you write? Burning, arrow mark. During this chemical change, one substance is converted into ash and smoke. Sir, you repeat again answer. Okay, answer to I already repeated. Again, I am repeating one more time. That question was this one. What properties of an object may undergo a change? So you write, the physical and chemical properties of an object may undergo a change. The physical and chemical properties of an object may undergo a change. That is the answer of this question number 2. Okay. So question number 3, the second part I am discussing with you. I am telling you. So burning, I think all of you have written. Okay. Burning you wrote. Please respond to me. Burning you wrote or not? The second part of the question was that explain with examples. So first example you got burning. Then same way you can write other examples. For example, cooking, curding, roasting, etc. So you write second one. One more you write, that is curding. Curding. Curdling. Curdling. Firstly you wrote burning. Secondly you write curdling. 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 Give one arrow mark. Then you write, in this chemical change, milk is converted to curd. You write curdling. Sir, repeat burning. So burning I told one time. Burning, give one arrow mark. Then you write, in this chemical change, one substance is converted into ash and smoke. Okay, that is burning. And in curdling, you write, give curdling, C-U-R-D-L-I-N-G, curdling, give one arrow mark and then write, in this chemical change, milk is converted into curd. So 2 examples sufficient. Okay. Sumiksa Khonikor 33, you are very late. Very late. We have already completed more than half an hour. Yes, 40 minutes, 35 seconds we have completed. You are coming very late. So from the next time, try to come in on time, because every Friday, I am repeating again, every Friday at 9 a.m. I will be available here, and I will continue my class for 45 to 50 minutes. Today also already I have completed 40 minutes 58 seconds already. I have completed. Few minutes I will take more. Okay, so I hope you got that answer. So, and I also already I told you that all of you be present on time every Friday from 9 to 10. 9 to 10 you should be here. So I will take the live class and I will take the live attendance also. And you see this video you will not again get. Okay, so if you miss the video, if you miss my class, then you will not get it back. It is not like the other videos that morning I send a video, so during the daytime you are writing, or otherwise you are writing at night, or next day also you are writing. Now here you will not get that one. So today, now this online class is going on now. So as it will over, then after it is over. That means you will not get the video again. Okay, so please, that is why I am telling you, please be present on time from 9 to 10 every Friday. Every Friday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. you should be present here, because I will be live. Okay, as in the, it is like the our classroom. In the classroom also, when I am going and I am teaching something, then after completion of the class, when I came back from the class, after that, will you get the same explanation or same thing will get again? It is irreversible change. Okay, it is irreversible change. One time I give you the explanation, after that in the classroom you will not get back that one again. Recording you will not get. No? So here also in this live class also same. Okay, so you are listening, you are watching, you are live, you are getting my informations, my explanations, everything you are getting now live. So as it will be completed, as it will be terminated, after that you will not get it back. Okay, so please remember this. So next question is, explain how an iron ring is fitted onto a wooden wheel. How an iron ring is fitted into a wooden wheel. That is the question. So this actually in the book it is explained. Then also I am repeating. First of all, firstly, you have to know the property of the matter, that either it is iron or any other matter. So it, during the hotness, when the temperature rises, then every substance expands, whether it is a solid or gas or liquid or metal, non-metal, everything expands when there is heat. When the temperature increases, then it expands, and when the temperature decreases, it again contracts, okay, or shrinks. So one wooden wheel is there, so there around it one iron ring should be fitted. So first of all, what to do to fit the iron ring? Firstly, the iron rim should be heated. When it will become hot, then it will expand, and at that time it will be fitted on the wheel. Then after, when it is cool, automatically it will be tightly fixed with the wooden wheel. So that is the process. So in page number 54, it is explained. Okay, so I am just reading. Fixing a metal rim on a wooden wheel is an example of application of expansion and contraction in solids. The metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On hitting, the metal rim expands and easily fixed on the wooden wheel. On cooling, the metal rim contracts to give a tight grip on the wooden wheel. So it is written in page number 54. I am showing you. It is written, you see this part, it is written, that only I am explaining. This is the wooden wheel, this is the rim, iron rim. So it will be, means over the wheel it should be fitted. Okay, so to fit it, what is going on, I am telling you that firstly the rim is made little bit smaller than the wheel, and when it is smaller it will not fix it. Like this is the wheel, this is the rim, so it should be fixed like this. So firstly it is made smaller, then it will not fix, then this rim is heated. Okay, when it is heated it becomes bigger, expands, and then it fix. After that it is allowed to cool, then it tightly grips, takes the grip on the wooden wheel, and as a result of which the rim will not come out from the wheel, tightly it is getting fixed. So that is the process it is used. So you can write from here in from the book this answer. Okay, then number 5, what do you mean by desirable and undesirable changes? Give 3 examples of each. So this answer also you will get one question. Sir, repeat curdling. Okay, so curdling I am repeating. You are asking, that is why I am repeating. Curdling, 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 arrow mark, you write. In this chemical change, milk is converted into curd. In this chemical change, milk is converted into curd. I hope you understood. So now desirable and undesirable changes, that also definitions are there in the book. I am showing you. Yes, you see, desirable change definition is here, and undesirable change definition is here. So you can write from the book. Okay, so desirable change, undesirable change, you can write the definition from here, and examples are also here. Okay, examples are also here, that you will write. It is said to write three examples. Desirable change 3 example, undesirable change 3 example. So this question you can write from the book. I don't want to dictate it again. Then this objectives, tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. This I did here, you can note down. Okay, if you are looking, you please note down. Tick the correct answer and the fill in the blanks I did here, you note down. Are you looking? If you are looking, you please note down them. Okay, I hope you wrote. Now, lastly, we are coming for the hots. We are coming for the hots. Sir, I cannot see. Fill in the blanks. Oh, okay. I'm showing you one more time. Fill in the blanks you did not see, you are telling. Sorry, students, for the interruption. I'm sorry for the interruption. It was because of the link failure. So I'm showing again. Just fill in the blanks. Is it clear to you? Those who are present? So please repeat. 4th question. Okay, 4th question you want again. Explain how an iron rim is fitted onto a wooden wheel. So I already told you this answer is in the book only, but again shortly you can write here. One big paragraph is given. So shortly I'm telling you So to fix an iron ring on a wooden wheel, at first the iron ring is made little bit smaller than the wheel, and then it is heated to expand. When it expands, it is fitted on the wheel and let it to cool to get the proper grip on the wheel. So that is the answer. You can write. Otherwise, you can follow this your book also. In the book also, in this paragraph, the answer is there. You see, in this paragraph, the answer is there. Okay. Again, in the fill in the blanks, what I told before that, I told you that here you see in some answers, for example, you see here I am writing 3 options. So that means any one you write, it will be correct. This also correct, this also correct, this also correct. That means there are so many options are there for that same question. You can write 3 different answers. What answer I wrote here, it is also correct. If you write this one, then also correct. If you write this one, then also correct. Here also, this also correct. If you write this, then also correct. And for this also correct, this also correct. So options are there. That is why I am writing by giving some slash there. I hope you understood. Fill in the blanks not clear. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take one photo of this fill in the blanks part, and I will send you in the group. Okay, after the class, I will send you to the in the group. Okay, so now let's go for the hot questions. You see here, why are undesirable changes undesirable? So that is the question. Hot's number 1. I would like, sir, my network is finished, so you tell the fill in the blanks again, sir. Fill in the blank is not clear. Okay, this fill in the blanks, already I told you, fill in the blanks, I will take a photo and I will send you in the group after the completion of this lesson. After the completion of this class, live class, I will send you in the group. Okay, don't worry about it. So undesirable changes, undesirable. So that question answer you write, not so long answer, very simple, short answer. You write, most of the undesirable changes, you write, most of the undesirable changes cause some, cause some harm to us as well as our environment or natural resources. Full stop. So undesirable changes are undesirable. I'm repeating one more time, but I cannot repeat more because I'm creating by myself and I'm telling you, I did not write anywhere. So that is why one time when I tell, that time you try to write by your own. But what I can remember, I am repeating again. So most of the undesirable changes are causing harm to us as well as the environment and the natural resources. So they are undesirable. So that is the answer. So next question number 2, are chemical changes reversible? If yes, how can you reverse them? So you write, yes, some of the chemical changes are reversible. You write, yes, some of the chemical changes are reversible. Full stop. They can be reversed by some complex chemical processes. Did you write? Once more, I am repeating. Question number 2, HOTS question number 2, I am repeating. Yes, some of the chemical changes are reversible. Yes, some of the chemical changes are reversible. Full stop. It can be done by some complex chemical processes. Did you finish? Okay, so now HOTS number 3. Why are telephone wires and electric wires left sagging between two poles? So you write, telephone wires and electric wires are made of metals. I'm repeating, telephone wires and electric wires are made of metals. Full stop. During summer, these wires expand due to the hotness, but during winter they shrink due to the coolness. Full stop. As these wires shrink during winter, then the possibility of the tearing of the wires increases during winter. Full stop. So, telephone wires and electric wires are left sagging between two poles. Okay, I hope you have heard and you wrote. So we have completed this lesson today, and for the second phase of the online exam, repeat. So repeating is actually difficult for me, I already told you, because I'm creating by myself now. Then also I'm trying, the main thing I'm trying, you compose yourself, main thing I'm trying to say you that these wires are made up of metals, and metals are generally expand during the summer days, and during winter days they shrink. Okay, I'm explaining. Okay, I'm not dictating, I'm explaining the answer. You try to understand, then try to compose by yourself. Okay, what I'm explaining, during summer, these wires means the wires of the electric wires, or the current wires or the telephone wires, so they are made up of metals. So during summer they expand, so they expand. During winter they shrink. So when they shrink during winter, then there is the possibility that they may tear easily. So during winter the possibility increases. So that is why they are it is said they are left sagging. Sagging means they are not tightly they are fixed, they are allowed to loosely, they are bind with the poles. One pole is this one, another pole is this one. The wires are loosely bound, they are not tightly fixed. You see like this, you see that this is the wire. So like this, it is not attached with the poles, it is attached like this, because during summer it loses because of the hotness, this they virus expand and therefore they loses. But during winter they shrink, and there is a possibility they are pushed from each other, and there is a possibility that they may tear in the middle. So that is why they are sagged. So they are sagging is there. Okay. So I hope you understood. F number 5. What do you mean by, so F number 5 I already told you. So these you have to write from the book. Already I told you. Number 5, F number 5, there is desirable and undesirable changes. Page number 52 you open. Here it is given. Desirable changes, definition also given, example also given. Undesirable change, definition also given, example also given. So you write from the book, page number 52. Page number 52, you write from that book. Okay. So there examples are also there. Three examples it is safe to write. Okay, any more doubt? Question number 3 to repeat. I already repeated that question. I explained the question. I explained the answer. You try to compose by your own, because I have one time I have composed it. Now I am forgetting what I told. As it is, I may not tell. So that is why I have explained you the answer. So you try to compose by your own. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to terminate my class because I have more classes. So I want to tell you one thing, that every day, not every day, every Friday from morning 9 to 10, I will take this live class, and on that very day, that means on Friday, I will take the attendance here. Okay, in the other days, that means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in the other days, you will put your attendance in the application I already sent to you. Every day you are doing also. So there you do your attendance, you give your attendance on that particular application. Other days except Friday. Friday you will give your attendance here. Okay, in the live class. And already I told you that in the live class you should be present live. You have to watch. Otherwise you will miss my explanation and my answers. You will miss it and you may fail in problem. So that is why every Friday, I am not telling you about every day. Every Friday morning 9 to 10, I will be available here live, interaction with you. You can interact with me live. So be present every Friday morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, that's for today. And once more, I'm telling you the syllabus for the second phase of the online test. Already I gave you. Then also I'm telling you lesson 5, lesson 6 and lesson 7. So I hope lesson 5 we have completed, and today we have completed lesson 6. Okay, 5 we have completed. Okay, 5 we have completed. Today I have completed 6, and once more lesson is left, that is the lesson number 7. Okay, so lesson number 7, that characteristics of living things, that I will start. You have class again on Thursday. On Thursday you have class. On that very day I will try to give you some notes or some explanations. And again next Friday, next week Friday morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I will be available here live, and you also be available here live. And every Friday I am repeating once again, repeating and repeating, because for your knowledge, every Friday morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. live class will be there and live attendance will be there. Okay, other days you give your attendance through the application. Sir, in the next class, can you again dictate type? No, my dear. Type E already dictated yesterday. That application, yesterday that video I made where I am dictated type E question answers. So that video you see, I will not delete today. Today at night I will delete that video. So before that, you please note down. I will not repeat it. And this today what you have learned, you will not get it back again, because it will not be saved. Your roll numbers and others, it will be recorded, but this what I have explained, it will not be saved there. So you will not be able to see this class again. So that is why what have you learned, you note down, and if any more doubt if you feel, in my next class you will ask. So till then, goodbye and have a good day.